The tulip is a plant belonging to the lily family, and its beautiful flowers are considered a symbol of spring. This flower is widely found in Central Asia, Europe, and the Middle East. Tulips come in various colors, including red, yellow, white, pink, and even purple. Tulips not only decorate gardens but also hold a special place in the culture and art. For example, tulip cultivation is of great importance in the Netherlands, where it's considered one of the country's symbols. Additionally, throughout history, tulips have been associated with love, loyalty, and beauty. Growing tulips is relatively easy as they require good soil and sufficient sunlight. They grow from bulbs and bloom in spring, bringing joy with their stunning flowers. Red plates.